Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm going to talk about things your U.S. passport cannot do. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. Stay tuned. Tuning in. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I am a U.S. immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. And also, be sure to stick around until the end to get bonus tips on how to apply for a certificate of citizenship. As you know, your U.S. passport is generally sufficient proof of your U.S. citizenship for many purposes. It's a valuable travel document and widely accepted for most identification purposes. But a certificate of citizenship may also be necessary if you need to demonstrate when you became a U.S. citizen. There are passport limitations that citizens should know about. So you may need a certificate of citizenship or a certificate of naturalization when attempting to apply for certain benefits such as Social Security, state-issued driver's license or IDs, financial aid for students, employment, and passport renewal. Keeping your certificate of your citizenship, as well as a copy of it, is important because it never expires and is direct proof of your citizenship and how it was obtained. USCIS provides a certificate of naturalization to permanent residents who undergo the naturalization process. But individuals who obtain citizenship through their parents don't typically get a certificate of citizenship, and the individual must apply for it. So there are some occasions when a U.S. passport may not be sufficient. And that includes when you need to update your citizenship status with the Social Security. So once you're a U.S. citizen, it's generally a good idea to update your status with the Social Security Administration, also known as the SSA. And there are advantages to updating your status, which include citizenship status may affect employment opportunities. So some types of employment are only available to U.S. citizens. Even if you show your employer your passport, there still could be a problem. If your records are not updated, the government's E-Verify employment system could flag you as a non-citizen. Citizenship status may affect disability benefits, so some Social Security disability benefits are only available to U.S. citizens. So by changing your citizenship status with the SSA, you will ensure that you receive all disability, retirement, and Social Security benefits for which you qualify as a U.S. citizen. To update your citizenship status with the SSA, you'll need a certificate of citizenship or certificate of naturalization. To request the update, complete Form SS5 and submit it in person at your local Social Security office. Another area that this can affect is the Student Federal Financial Aid. So you must be a U.S. citizen or eligible non-citizen to receive federal student aid. Federal student aid may include grants, scholarships, work-study jobs, and loans. Now, there are significant benefits accessible through the free application for federal student aid, which is the FAFSA application, and this application requires proof of your citizenship to obtain these benefits. So a photocopy of the original certificate of citizenship or certificate of naturalization may be submitted with the application. But have your original document in your files if your school requests to see it. As promised, here's some bonus information that you may not know about. So, generally speaking, passport limitations don't have to hold you back. So let's talk about how to apply for a certificate of citizenship. So if you have a claim to U.S. citizenship, you may apply for a certificate of citizenship by using N-600, which is the application for certificate of citizenship. When filing for the N-600 with USCIS, you should submit the following items: the current USCIS filing fee, passport-style photos, the birth certificate or other evidence of birth, birth certificate of your U.S. citizen parents, and evidence of the parent's U.S. citizenship and when it was obtained. Now, the application will require additional supporting documents depending on how the applicant obtained citizenship. So, for example, Derived citizenship requires proof of permanent residence and physical custody of the U.S. citizen's parent. Certificate of citizenship or certificate of naturalization can mitigate passport limitations. But immigration laws regarding citizenship have changed several times over the years, so you always want to make sure that you stay up to date. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you want me to talk about something in specific, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. Additionally, if you have any specific questions about this video as they pertain to your unique circumstances, please schedule a consultation with us, also at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.